Started to sound very expensive, so you know. Hello everybody, I've got myself some indoor gardeners that I'm calling them, and they're having a look at the site and trying to work out how they're going to turn it into an indoor jungle. So let me introduce you to them. Alright guys, could you just introduce yourself to the camera?
Hello, my name's Tom and I'm an indoor gardener.
My name's Steph and I'm Tom's indoor gardener protege.
So what we're all doing is that we're looking at how we could make this to look really absolutely fantastic. What do you think?
It's going to be warm up here, so we're going to have to choose some specific plants that can deal with the heat and the sunlight, but it's going to be brilliant place. Perfect light.
Every month direct sun apart from December, because these buildings are covering that.
So you've got sun all year round up here, lovely and warm. Just to figure out how we're going to water them.
We're thinking even an irrigation system, because if there's a lot of hanging plants, watering all of the hanging plants, especially with this much light and heat, it's going to be a daily thing in the summer.
You can have very inconspicuous irrigation systems.